So Richard, you're here at the Property Investor Show selling property in Turkey,
Yes.
in Bodrum, I think, in Turkey.
In Bodrum, yeah.
Yes. What's brought you to the Property Investor Show? What made you decide it was a good idea to exhibit here?
We had we met some people who did the previous show before, and they said it was very successful. And we have to say it's also here, everybody's positive about Bodrum. And a lot of people are interested in buying for investment, also for the holiday homes. It's an interesting show.
Bodrum is an incredible destination, isn't it? It's really popular with the Turkish themselves, but also for the international investor.
For international investor, and Bodrum is like the French Riviera from France. It's the higher class of tourism from Turkey.
And what sort of person is buying property in Bodrum? Are they buying mainly to invest or mainly as a holiday home?
Actually, it's a mix. Some people are buying there for retirement. Yeah?
Yes.
Some people buying as an investment, and other people buy it for their own use.
And what sort of price range are you looking at?
Like in Bodrum, we have very expensive houses, like 10 to 15 millions of houses.
Yes.
We have a nice new project starting with a one bedroom for £65,000.
Yep.
Up to the three bedroom to £160,000.
Okay, so those are sort of not frightening prices for people to be looking
at. It's actually quite cheap because the houses are full equipped, with full equipped kitchen, bathrooms, everything is finished, and the people buy turnkey.
Yes.
We finished the project is ready in June, and the people buy and get a property on their name immediately.
Now, in the last year or so, the Turkish lira has run into trouble, hasn't it? And it's now gone, lost 2/3 of its value.
To the pound is now 7.55
instead of 2.50 or whatever it was.
2.50 has been.
Yes, yes.
So besides the normal yield you're getting and the normal appreciation of the property, when the lira is coming back, you have an extra appreciation. Yes. It can be about 30%.
And that must be quite an attractive idea for people who believe that the Turkish lira will come back and not just collapse completely. That's got to be an attractive option, isn't it?
Definitely the Turkish lira will come back because Turkey is a country with a lot of opportunities, a lot of industry.
And it's a big country with a strong economy. Yes, yes. As soon as they stop fighting in Syria, it would help.
Definitely, that would help.
Yes.
But it's still a country, with a lot of production and a lot of export to EU and USA. So it's quite good.
And someone buys an apartment in your complex and they want to rent it out as a holiday home. Yeah. What sort of rental returns could they expect to get?
Rental returns, if you do it for a longer term, you get a lower.
Sure. Yeah.
But if you for the summer time from May to September, it's 8 to 12%.
Okay, so that's pretty good.
There's an extra advantage because Bodrum is expanding a lot and a lot of golf courses coming.
Yes.
If the golf courses are coming, they're building now 5 new ones. The season will be longer.
Right.
So you can also from March to October.
Because the season in Turkey has always been quite short.
Yeah. And then you have a longer season. You have a 5 or 6 month season.
Yes.
So the appreciation, the yield can be higher also.
So you're sounding pretty optimistic about Bodrum, really?
Very optimistic.
And what's your background? How did you end up in Bodrum?
My wife is Turkish.
Yes.
We have there a house since 40 years. We have a house, so we come there every year. We stay there for 2-3 months.
Right.
A lot of foreigners coming there, make a lot of contacts. It's a great place to be.